Hello, Monty with Gillespie's Abbey Carpet and Floors, and it's hard for me to believe, and I'm sure it is for you too, but it's a new year, 2021. Something we've all been looking forward to is getting past that 2020 and moving on into 2021. And if you're like me, you create a list of things that you want to get accomplished for the year. In home improvement, some things that you definitely want to make sure that you're taking care of annually, and that is the batteries in your smoke detectors, the caulking around your shower pans and bathtubs, or sealing the grout, or sealing your natural stone granite countertops that a lot of people have. Those should be done every year. And the cleaning of your carpets. As you know here, not only do we sell and install new flooring, but we also clean and maintain carpeting and area rugs and furniture and things like that. But more importantly, cleaning for health now than ever is more important. And you want to make sure that you're getting your carpets cleaned once a year is a good idea. I know that's what I do at my home. In fact, I'm getting ready to schedule mine for my home right now. So make sure that you put on that list those maintenance items for your home, the battery for your smoke detector, the caulking around your tubs and shower pans and glass enclosures, the sealing of your granite countertops, and maybe the sealing of your grout. It's a great time to get all those things done and get them out of the way before spring happens. And if your flooring is to the point that it's not cleanable, you know where to come right here at Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors, where we can turn your interior design dreams into reality.